Good day and welcome to my open house. This is Matt Makovsky, and I have an open house here at 2816 um, Humboldt Place. And if you have a look at the location here, it's really pretty cool. It's a cul-de-sac and it's walking distance to a really nice um, open garden with volleyball um, and tennis courts. And then if you have a look, this is the front yard. It's not huge, but it's certainly enough to work with. And so let me take you inside. And so this is the large. I guess it would be like almost like a great room. It's a sitting room, dining room, and kitchen, but opened up. My clients totally remodeled this area, vaulted the ceilings, and really made it quite an interesting masterpiece. So if you do come here on an open house of mine, I'd obviously love you to sign in, but as a prize, I have some books that I would give to you.